do something fancy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just get off the live because I got a couple people in here to hold me down for a sec. As far as people being in my chat, y'all better hold me down and stay in my chat. Now we're down to one person. As soon as I get ready to flip around and leave, y'all want to go down to one person. Well, it depends on what kind of car it is while you're trying to distract somebody from a topic they might be on. You know, that's rude as being a YouTube audience member. You just come in, don't even give me enough information to make a good decision for you. 124K depends on what kind of car that is, though. Because to me, if that's a truck, that's a baby. You dig? Trucks got to put in work. We getting 300K off of trucks. You dig? Yeah, yeah. You hit your first third of the way there. Now you still got 200K more to go. Hell, who the fuck is this person? And let me see. As soon as I leave, they want to try to catch me at a disadvantage. See, now I can't check your references because I'm live. But as soon as I get my other phone, best believe I'll get on your ass for real because you know we bout that life. Let's see. Let's see. What's poppin' Wednesday? I need to reconfigure this playlist. That way it's actually a video instead of everything new at the bottom. Let's see, go back to the home page. Get this shit off my screen, nigga. Off the screen. God dang. They trying to give me 99 problems. Like your boy don't know what he talking about. Let's see. This is gonna be hilarious though. Put that there. Our 20-minute video is gonna be next. Shout out to the homies over at the Green Table Podcast. All right, we'll do that. We'll hit them with a double back to back to back to back to back. All right, bet. It's gonna be a good video because I had some good topics I had seen. Shout out to my algorithm. See, that's why I said you got to keep the things you like in your algorithm, and you'll see more of that. Shout out to seeing more of the things you like versus the things you don't. What they say, big man things. Shout out to Melinda Elliott. She a level 2 buy me a coffee member doing her THING. Alright, that's ready. Hit the recycle. Recycle that. Recycle that. Recycle that. Alright, that's done. Hell no, I don't know that person. Why does Facebook always want to ask me if I know people? I got 15 friends on Facebook, and it needs to be 5. Shouts out to me not liking to see people on Facebook. That's not why I go to Facebook. I go to Facebook because it actually services my needs for other things, as far as where I usually get my interest entertainment, like things I'm actually interested in. I used to keep track through it through Facebook used to come out. Facebook would let me go and watch the episode. Wasn't on Facebook, but they had the new episode Crunchyroll link right there posted. You see what I'm saying? Now y'all don't see what I'm saying. Let me check out this guy's references now that I'm back in my chat. Yeah, you're casual. You're a casual, whoever the hell that is. It looks like he has a clown on his profile picture, so we know that's a troll asking me stupid ass questions about a car with 124,000 miles on it. And those be those distractions. See, that's why I was like, I'm not even worried about it. Hell, I'll check out your references. Good to see you, Estrella Garcia. Y'all know to go check her out. She does cinematic premieres over on her channel and prefers to see them on your channel. So if you know you're going to have a video set for a premiere, make sure you put the cinematic premiere on it and tag your homegirl Estrella in it. You see